Jai Narayan student. Today we will start class civics chapter number 4 electoral politics. Student, first of all, electoral politics introduction. In a democracy, people do not govern directly. They govern through the representative governing through elected representative is the most common form of democracy. In this chapter, student, we develop the understanding about election of representative and need of election and how to make election democratic. Okay, and it also involve examining the role of the election commission in ensuring free and fair election. Okay, now next topic. Student, what is election? First of all, election means कि the mechanism or procedure by which people choose their representatives at regular interval is called election. Okay, regular interval is called election. Why is election is important? Because election take place regularly in any democracy. A rule of people is possible without any election if all people can sit together and every day and take all decisions. Most non-democratic countries also hold some kinds of election. So how to distinguish between democratic election from other? So the minimum condition of democratic election includes first condition we one vote and with equal value, one vote with equal value. Second, parties and candidates should be free to contest election, regular election after every few years, candidate preferred by people should win, and free and fair election. Student, free and fair election. Election are thus all about political competition. Without competition, election will become pointless, because but electoral competition has many demerits such as creating the disunity and factionalism in every locality, and party and candidate often use dirty tricks to win election. I am already discussed the lecture 1 of chapter 1 democracy. This part already discussed कि डेमोक्रेसी किस तरीके से इलेक्शन के लिए क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है. आर यू नो दैट स्टूडेंट? and because but benefit with the electoral competition is regular. Electoral competition is regular. Electoral competition is regular because provide the incentives to political parties and leaders. They know that कि if they raise the issues that people want to be raised, their popularity and chances of victory will increase the next election. ओके तो इस तरीके से एक प्रोसीजर होता है इलेक्शन का. और अब स्टूडेंट हम एक स्टोरी से इसको कनेक्ट करेंगे और आप अंडरस्टूड होंगे कि कैसे हरियाणा असेंबली इलेक्शन में इस चीज़ पे हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टोरी ऑफ असेंबली इलेक्शन इन हरियाणा. जस्ट लाइक एग्जाम्पल प्रोसीजर ऑफ इलेक्शन. तो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द स्टेट असेंबली इलेक्शन इन हरियाणा इन 1987. तो 1987 the state had been ruled by a Congress party led government since 1982. Chaudhary Devi Lal, then an opposition leader, led a movement called Nyay Yudh, struggle for justice, and formed a new party Lok Dal. Student की formation of new party Lok Dal. Okay, formation of new party is Lok Dal. तो हरियाणा had been ruled by Congress party since 1982. तो एट द टाइम चौधरी देवीलाल वॉज एन अपोजिशन लीडर. स्टूडेंट तो ही लेड मूवमेंट कॉल्ड न्याय युद्ध. इस मूवमेंट का क्या नाम था? न्याय युद्ध, स्ट्रगल फॉर जस्टिस. तो एंड फॉर्म न्यू पार्टी इज लोक दल. नाउ इलेक्शन कैंपेन ऑफ देवीलाल इन इलेक्शन कैंपेन ऑफ 1987. ओके 1987 असेंबली इलेक्शन. तो देवीलाल प्रॉमिस वोटर्स इफ हिज पार्टी विन, अगर मैं जीत जाता हूँ तो ही वुड वेव लोन्स ऑफ फार्मर्स, मैं फार्मर्स को लोन दूंगा, एंड स्मॉल बिजनेस ऑल्सो बिजनेसमैन. तो ये देवीलाल के कमिटमेंट्स थे. ओके प्रॉमिस थे. फिर वोटर फेवर लोक दल as people were unhappy with existing government, तो they were attracted by देवीलाल promise. सब लोग attract हो रहे थे देवीलाल promise से, ये उनकी promise से कि they voted in favor of लोकदल, and it is partner won 76 out of 90 seats. Okay, 76 out of 90 seats in the state assembly. So Lokdal alone won 60 seats and thus had a clear majority in the assembly. So the Congress could win only 5 seats. Okay, 5 seats. तो result announce, result क्या हुआ? So now let's see. Now student, result is announced the sitting of chief minister resign and the newly elected member of legislative assembly MLA of Lokdal choose the Devilal as their leader. Now student की the result mainly announced Lokdal won 60 seats alone and thus had a clear majority in the assembly. So Congress got only 5 seats. As the election result was announced, thus existing the chief minister of Congress resigned. Why resigned? Because the newly elected member legislative assembly MLA of Lokdal choose the Devilal as their leader. क्योंकि वहाँ पर कौन वॉन कर गया था? लोकदल का देवीलाल लीडर. And the governor invited Devilal to be new chief minister 3 days after the election results were declared. He became the chief minister. So Devilal became a chief minister. So the newly elected members of legislative assembly, MLA means full form means student member of legislative assembly of Lokdal choose the Devilal as their leader. So the governor invited the Devilal to be the new chief minister after 3 days of election and result he took oath. उन्हें एक शपथ दिलाई गई and then his oath means student शपथ and then his government issued a government order and waiving the outstanding loan. उन्होंने बहुत सारे जो promise किए थे outstanding loans to small farmers, agriculture laborers and small business. Okay, now next time election are held in 1991. Congress again formed government student. Why? Because the next election were held in 1991. तो but this time his party did not win popular support. उनको support नहीं मिला. लोकदल तो लोकदल ruled the state of for 4 years. कितने years? 4 years. तो in 1991 election party did not win people's support. तो this time Congress won the election and formed the government. Okay, तो आपने इस प्रोसीजर से देखा कि कैसे इलेक्शन में हम स्टैंड होता है. मेजॉरिटी पार्टी से एमएलए होता है, फिर एमएलए ही से ही हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर और मिनिस्टर रेडी होते हैं. तो आपको आज इस हरियाणा की असेंबली से ये पार्ट क्लियर हो गया होगा. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.